Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I got a package in the mail today, something that I've been waiting for. I've been really wanting to try this thing out. It's from my buddy Mad Dog Survival. I already opened it, of course. I had to open it. I had no other choice. I was going crazy. I was wanting to see this thing so bad. Anyway, this is it. It's a ceramic striker with a ceramic ferro rod striker, hardwood handle, lanyard. It's a camouflage lanyard, and a little carabiner to boot. Sent me instructions. Ceramic ferro rod striker, effective with all types of ferro rods. Greatly increases spark output, hardwood handle, and a paracord lanyard. See my YouTube channel for more instructions. Alright. He also sent me a sticker. I already got it on my board. Looks just like the card. Let's see here. See how this thing works. Like I said, I've been really wanting to try this out. I've never tried one before. I've never tried a ceramic striker that I know of anyway. I kind of thought, when everybody was talking about ceramic strikers, I didn't really have a clue that it would have come and be metal. I thought it was made out of ceramic. But, oh well, I was wrong. For once in my life, I was wrong. Ferro rod, here's the striker. Oh yeah, there you go. She's a burning. Put that sucker out, do it again. Just because I like it. I like doing it. Oh, I love the sparks. Good old Sparky. Man, it throws off some good sparks, ain't it? Let's go. Let's try this. This is a piece of birch bark. I'm just gonna crunch it up because it's dried. And she's a burning. She's a burner. She's on fire. Uh-oh. Went out. And she's a burning again. And it's getting ready to go out again. Must be too damp down here for it. I don't know. No fault of the ferro rod or the striker, but let's check this out. Mad Dog, buddy, I think this may be my new favorite striker. Damn it. Damn it, man. You may have done turned me against the other ones. Alright, hey, Mad Dog, if you're watching this, does this little striker right here, the piece of metal here, does it come any longer? If it does, let me know. I sure would like to have a longer one. Just a piece of metal. Way I can use it on my beast. I like to have it big enough to where it would reach all the way across my beast ferro rod. Alright, I'm out of here, y'all. I got to hit the road. I'll see you later. One more thing. I'm going to be doing videos soon. A comparison of a 4-season tent. I just got it today. It's a Snug Pack, the Cave. It's supposed to be 4-season. I don't really know. But I want to do a comparison of it and one that I use. Well, not one that I use. The type that I usually use, especially as a kid. Anyway, I'll see you later and have a good day.